Don Bosco High Secondary School, Silchar, brought the spirit of friendly competition to Shillong this week with the Inter-School Bosco Olympics held on December 13, 14 and 15. The event saw 18 schools from Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam and Mizoram converge on the school grounds to participate in a diverse range of athletic and cultural activities. The atmosphere was electric, buzzing with the excitement of students and teachers alike. The theme of the event, peace and friendship, resonated throughout the 3 days, emphasizing the importance of building camaraderie and sportsmanship through healthy competition. The opening ceremony was a spectacle in itself. Dr. Father M.C. Thomas, the guest of honor, delivered an inspiring speech highlighting the crucial role of sports in a student's life. He emphasized the message that education and sports go hand in hand, urging every student to embrace the benefits and opportunities offered by athletic pursuits. Father Babu Stephen, head of Education and Culture, Shillong Province, also graced the occasion with his presence, adding to the weight and significance of the event. Reverend Father Surjit Tiga, principal of Don Bosco School, Silchar, further fueled the enthusiasm by encouraging students to actively participate in sports and imbibe the true spirit of sportsmanship. The ceremony unfolded with a vibrant display of cultural performances by Don Bosco school students, followed by a captivating march past by all participating schools. The air throbbed with cheers and applause as students proudly showcased their school spirit. The days that followed were a testament to the athletic prowess and unwavering determination of the participating students. From the 100 meters sprint to long jump, shot put, and badminton, the Don Bosco school grounds became a stage for showcasing talent and pushing boundaries. Chess, basketball, football, volleyball, throwball, the list of sports offered something for everyone, ensuring that every student had a chance to shine. The energy and enthusiasm were palpable, with cheers and encouragement echoing from the amphitheatre and galleries as students competed and celebrated each other's victories. The Bosco Olympics transcended the realm of pure competition, offering a platform for cultural exchange and understanding. The evenings were dedicated to showcasing the diverse artistic traditions of the participating regions. Through song, dance, and music, students shared their unique cultural identities, fostering a sense of camaraderie and appreciation for each other's heritage. As the final whistle blew on the last event, the Inter School Bosco Olympics concluded on a high note. The event was not just about winning and losing, it was a celebration of sportsmanship, teamwork, and the enduring power of friendship. The students who participated left with not only memories of their athletic achievements, but also a renewed sense of unity and respect for their peers from across the region. The Bosco Olympics serve as a powerful reminder that sports can be a bridge connecting individuals and communities through the universal language of competition and shared passion.
I would like to thank all the principals, vice principals, fathers, brothers, and teachers, sisters, for giving us all the support required to organize this Inter-School Bosco Olympics 2023 of Shillong Province. Once again, a warm welcome to you all. May God bless you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Next, we have the Bosco School, Nandanagar, Agartala. Bosco School Silchar, which is led by the commander Shushmita Singha, flag bearer Shubham Singha, and placard holder Surya Shekhar. your right hand with closed, respecting the rules which govern them.
More than me. Can run. And it's across fast. Don't see each other.
Finals. In the category of junior boys, the first position goes to Jashraj Paul of Don Bosco School, Silchar. The second position goes to Eklavya Paul of St. Anthony's School, Laitumkra, Shillong. And the third position goes to Lalrun Mauya Ralte of Don Bosco School, Thenzol, Mizoram.